Hey guys, you ever wondered how to do this soft girl makeup? So check out this video and let me show you. So I'm starting with the Norvina palette. I'm going in with that pinker shade right there, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease. And I'm going to use a Morphe fluffy brush and just go back and forth, really focusing on building the pink shade in the crease. Think of like soft girl makeup as like that 90s, super fresh, super gentle, girly makeup. So you want everything to just be like very girly, almost doll-like. Like anything that's feminine is definitely soft girl. Going back into the Norvina palette, I'm using the shade C4, which is like that lilac color, and I'm going to go right on top of the pink shade to kind of help blend everything together and give it a softer transition. Now I'm going to use the topper shade, which is A2, and I believe I wet the brush just to get this, to give me that super pigmented look that I want. Definitely soft girl, eye-opening shimmers is definitely the way to go. So I'm going to keep applying that with my flat brush until I get the liking that I desire. And I'm just going to blend it in so it's not harsh. Using the Becca Backlight primer, we're going to create a nice glowy canvas to the skin. As well as this primer also helps kind of like color correct discoloration. So I really like this primer a lot. I'm going in with the oldie but a goodie Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. This is probably one of the foundations that I do own that almost everybody loves that I hardly ever use. Like I hardly ever use this foundation because you guys know I'm a matte kind of girl. I'm not trying to be out here glowing all over the place. But for soft girl makeup is definitely like that glowy, highlighted, pinky, lilac-y type of look. Just very soft and gentle, so I figured let me go in with my Luminous Silk. This is just an e.l.f. brush. Now I'm going to go in with the shade A1 and I'm going to highlight my inner tear duct just so everything like really pops, really glows. So we're going to take that and we are just going to highlight. Now I went back in with the shade C4 with a more pencil brush, and I'm going to basically just smudge out my bottom lash line with that purpley color and smudge it on out. I'm using a Fenty Beauty eyeliner, and I'm just going to take that in my waterline. Now I opted to use a pink liner instead of doing like the white or nude, just because I thought the pink would be a little bit more different, and it's also a pastel pink, so it would still give me that really doll-like, eye-opening type of look that I desire. So this, you just want to really like apply it on your lash line, that's your lash line, on your waterline, and really apply it generously down there. So now I'm going to use my Cover FX blush palette, I guess you could say. I'm going to go in with the blush first. I like to smile when I do my blush, and then I like to go in like an upward motion. And I'm just going to blend out my blush. I like to build it up for sure. I don't like to go in too heavy because then normally I hate it. So I always build up my blush. I am not a blush kind of girl. If you guys didn't know, now you know. I'm not a blush type of girl. But we are today. So now I'm going to go in with the highlighting shade, and I'm going to just highlight my face. Now this is a Laura Mercier brush. I believe this brush was supposed to be for like the new translucent, the illuminating translucent. Don't get me to lying, but I believe that's what it's for. So I'm just going to basically go in and highlight almost all the high points of my face. So like my forehead, the bridge of my nose, I did my chin, and I also did above my cheekbone. And I'm gonna now finish everything off by spraying that Tatcha Dewy Skin Mist to give my skin that nice supple glow. I'm glowing from within, my love, and that is it. This is the look right here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and later, babies.
High fashion, like Goya, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you 'cause